Square for Retail 101, Square for Retail Customer Service. Below are detailed information about Square for Retail, a comprehensive point of sale, POS, solution tailored specifically for retail businesses. Square for Retail, overview and features. Purpose: Square for Retail builds upon the features of the standard Square point of sale, POS, system, enhancing it with advanced functionality designed to streamline retail operations. All-in-one solution: inventory management. Use an on-the-go inventory counting tool for faster, accurate stock counts. Receive low stock alerts and automate purchase orders. Track which items sold in specific locations through smart reporting. Multi-channel selling: set up a Square online store or integrate your existing website. Sell on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Google product listings. Sync inventory across physical store locations and online channels. Payment flexibility: accept various payment forms, including contactless payments. Offer a buy now, pay later option with Afterpay. Manage staff schedules, access reports, and run loyalty programs. App integration: seamlessly integrate third-party apps to enhance your software capabilities. Comprehensive reporting: gain insights into sales, profit, cost of goods sold, COGS, and sell-through. Square Banking: open checking and savings accounts with Square Banking for faster access to funds and loan opportunities. Why retailers choose Square for Retail? Simplified workflows: save time with streamlined processes. Intelligence at key moments: insightful reports empower informed decisions. Reliable, secure, and accurate: from item creation to checkout, Square's hardware gets the job done. Customized for your business: whether you're a small business or a big brand, Square adapts to your needs. Testimonial: upgrading to Square for Retail was a huge help in keeping track of inventory and reports. It's made us smarter and more efficient business owners. Gary and Logan, Collins and Coop, Home Goods. Square for Retail is tailor-made for all types of sellers, providing flexibility and efficiency for your retail business. Shopping cart glowing star now checkout. 1. Retail POS system, retail point of sale software Square. https://squareup.com/a/n/